Samsung unveiled the Galaxy S26 Trio, which includes the S26, S26 Plus, and S26 Ultra. Now brand will be working on the Galaxy S26 FE. The model number SMS741 has appeared on Geekbench. The listing indicates a deca-core processor configuration with clock speeds reaching up to 3.30 GHz. The source code also points towards the presence of the Xclipse 950 GPU, suggesting that the phone could be powered by Samsung's Exynos 2500 chipset. The benchmark entry further reveals that the device is running Android 17 and is paired with around 8 GB of RAM. In terms of scores, it has recorded a single-core result of 2,426 and a multi-core score of 8,004. The S25 FE slimmed down to 190 GMS, kept the 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate, and paired it with a 4,900 mAh battery and long-term software support. The S26 FE launch in Q3 2026, with the 2nm chipset bringing enhancements in battery and heat management. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.